Hey everyone, you're going to be doing a sink or float experiment today. Some of the materials you are going to need is a glass jar filled with water, 2 paper clips, and a small piece of paper towel. The most important word you will be learning is buoyancy, which also means upthrust.
Okay, I want to demonstrate buoyancy for you today. Buoyancy is the same as upthrust, and that basically means the weight of something decides whether the object is going to float or sink. Okay, and if the weight is greater than the upthrust or greater than the buoyancy, that means it sinks. Okay, so that's why you see boats float on the water, the buoyancy of the boat. Okay, that means that the weight of the boat is less than the water, so it's able to sit on top of the water. So I'm going to demonstrate one thing, and then you are going to try to demonstrate something else and see if you can figure out something that happens to try to make the paper clip float, which means it's going to have buoyancy. Okay, or it means that if it has buoyancy, the weight is less than the upthrust because it can float. So that means that the paper clip weighs less than the water. Okay, so the first one, I have 2 paper clips, I need a little bit of a paper towel, and I need a jar of water. Okay, my first experiment, my first thing is if I take 1 paper clip, it sinks right to the bottom. So that means the mass of that paper clip is greater than the upthrust or greater than the buoyancy of the water. It causes it to sink. Now, I want you to figure out how you are going to make the second paper clip float using a paper towel and a clip. Okay, you should be able to demonstrate buoyancy with those 2 items. I want you to see if you can figure out how to do it and tell me what happens.